Hi, my name is Mina Lee. I'm aesthetic facialist. At today's the beauty school, we are going to do how to do the lymphatic drainage on your face and neck. Firstly, we have to apply generous amount of the oil. So warm up the oil with your hand's temperature and apply inside out of your face. Firstly, we need to have a deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. And then we're going to open up the shoulder, pinch your trapezius muscle. Breathe in, pinch. And exhale, opposite side of your shoulder, what you're pinching. And the other side, same. And then we're going to using 2 fingers, put it in this deeper movement here. Breathe in and breathe out. Still press. You can feel all the notes release. Massage on your neck, just gently. 3 circular movement. And then we're going to open up these lymph nodes. And then massage your ear. The ear has got all the pressure point over your acupressure. If you feel a little bit of the pain in the area, you need to massage a little bit longer. And then with these 2 fingers, stimulating between your ear and drain down to your largest filter. Our lymph nodes is generally like here. So everything movement is going to be inside out and down to neck, the drain. So we're going to start chin. Lymphatic drainage shouldn't be hard movement, very gentle gliding like this. And then tower to your largest pin. And around the nose, I will give a little 3 pump, and then glide, and then to the neck, and then around the eyes, corner of eyes, pressure point down to the temple area. And normally hold your temple up to slightly lift. You can feel the drain tower to the temple. And eyebrow is 2 fingers to pinch the eyebrow. Breathe in and breathe out and glide into the temple. Now just glide without the pressure, and then forehead, center. So finish all the trainings is the largest filter and down the neck. And then lots of people talking about, is it between this area? I mean, obviously we have a fat tissue, but you can actually drain a lot down here to reduce the double chin. And also your neck is so important because you can hide A's in your face, but you can't hide A's in your neck. So always start with the neck and finish with your neck. And I would recommend this lymphatic drainage massage at home every evening. I actually do every time I apply my moisturizer, AM and PM, just only for 2 minutes, and then it will keep you young and drained.